Hey guys, it's Juju Beans here, and I'm going to be showing you how to put a texture pack, HD or non-HD, on your Mac. So first, you go to Safari or whatever your thing. Type in, I put it here. Type in, what was it? Type in Minecraft texture packs, or wherever you can find texture packs, wherever. And so let's look through some. I'll find one. I'm looking down one. So you can click here. This is the best one. It shows you some pictures. Looks good. Probably gonna do this in playthrough. See, all you gotta do, you gotta check if it's HD, and you click download here. I already downloaded. It already downloaded. So you can exit out here. So your Macintosh, I think it was called Sleek. Macintosh HD, I think it was called Sleek and Simple. So just click on Macintosh HD. Type in Sleek and Simple. See, I already downloaded it. Don't type it in, just check if you have it. Check if you have the folder. Or you can just do this. Go to trash, and you should have it in here. It's in this. There, see? Sleek and Simple. So just take it out. Put it right here. Go in your Macintosh HD. Go to your username, library, case support, Minecraft. This I'll take this out because I'm gonna make a new. You put this in the texture pack. I'm gonna make a new. Let's see what saves. Do we have any cool saves? Okay, I'll just take this. And then let me delete Minecraft. It's empty. Empty trash. So let's go to Minecraft. Minecraft is loading. See how I made a folder? It's empty because right now Minecraft hasn't started out. See, so put Lego Master. That's mine. And put password. Remember password? If you want to, you just log in. And I'll put everything that was in. You put your sounds. It won't put. So if you want to download a mod right away, like once you get it and you go in here, don't do it. I tried it before. It doesn't work because the sounds. It has to you have to play a map to get all the sounds. So right now I'm gonna switch this. Place. Maybe. Let's take this texture pack. Place. And see, this is what you need for. So I'll delete this and I'll put a new one. So to go in here, type in MC Texture Beta 1.5, and you just there. I think this is it. Well, this is an HD texture pack, but it should have what's it called? MC Picture. So yeah, here we go. Windows. So I got MC Picture, exe, I don't know why. So let's look for MC. It's an exe, it's not a DMG or a. I can't. Okay. Oops, that's why I put Windows. So it's loading. I know this will come up. So you open this. You open. Should be popping up. Well, what there should be, because my computer's kind of slow right now, what there should be like a screen, and it should say HD, yeah, right here. So you just check this texture pack, anything, and you just don't do anything, just press patch. You can go all the way here, success. So it might success. So let's test Minecraft. Same player. Oops. Let me just. I forgot to put a texture pack. Well, you don't match in texture packs, and then put an HD texture pack like Bordercraft, Doku texture pack. I think the Misa 180 texture pack, and you just play and it should work. Mine just shut down because well, restarted. I don't know why this is here. 2 minutes. So it should be working after this. So I'll put the fix, HD texture pack fix, and the texture pack. So I'll just put the fix in the description. So thanks for watching. And I might actually put. Oh, and next video I'm gonna show all the mods. And what was the mods? Yeah, how to install the mods on Mac, which is more creeps, more creatures, and in-game IMV edits. So since I deleted my Minecraft folder without taking out the saves, I know, stupid, but